What's up, guys? For this tutorial, I will show you how to make Oddcast voices sound robotic
Game over. Return to exit.
or do certain voice commands. Keep in mind that out of all of the Oddcast voices that were formerly available in Beyond, it will only work with the ones highlighted in green. The other voices don't have that option. In other words, the features I will display in this video are exclusive to the Loquendo voices. Anyways, let's begin. So I'm sure you may have typed a certain sentence with an exclamation mark or question mark and had the TTS voice react to it.
Well, yes.
No way.
That's impossible.
Do you understand? What?
You're joking.
You've got to be kidding.
However, by using emotion tags, we can go far and beyond with the voice's reactions. Start off by typing \item equals as shown on the screen. Then type out the desired command. You can make them laugh, sing,
I don't wanna talk about it. How you broke my heart.
cry, interject,
Ow!
blow raspberry, and much, much more. Also, when you see an underscore next to a number, that means there are different ways the voice can react with the desired tag. In other words, there can be different commands within a command. Do keep in mind that each voice has a different amount of tags, including ones with underscores. There may even be tags exclusive to one voice, or even tags that have hyphens in them. Now I know what you're thinking. How am I supposed to find out which voices have which emotion tags or not? And how many even are there for each voice? Lucky enough, as of writing this video, Loquendo themselves have a website that shows every emotion tag for each TTS voice, including the ones in different languages. Type the URL as shown on screen and you should be taken to it. Feel free to experiment with the collection, and pro tip, typing back-to-back commands on certain dialogue can reduce the need for multiple files, since the Oddcast voices have been excluded from Beyond itself. Now that that's out of the way, let's move on to making the voices sound robotic. Once again, the feature is exclusive to the voices highlighted in green earlier in the video. To start, type in \robot equals Gort. Man, that word is such a weird thing to say. Type a space, and then finally, type in the desired dialogue. When executed correctly, the voice should sound like this.
Please select an option to continue.
And there you have it. And one more thing, the robotic filter and the emotion tags can be used simultaneously to create some interesting dialogue. Here's an example.
Yuck! That's disgusting.
Alright guys, this concludes the tutorial of how to make some of the Oddcast voices sound robotic and speak commands. If you have anything you want to know and request that pertain to making Beyond videos, then don't be afraid to ask me and I'll make a tutorial about the topic. Aside from that, thank you for watching.